To make Maggi noodles with egg, first add 1½ cups, or 355 milliliters, of water to a pan and bring it to a boil. Then add the noodles to the pan and pour in the contents of the flavor packet. Lower the temperature and simmer the noodles for 2 minutes. While the noodles cook, crack 1 egg into a bowl and whisk until frothy. Pour the egg into the pan and stir it into the noodles until it's scrambled, about 2 minutes. Finally, stir 1/2 cup or 60 grams of grated cheese into the pan before serving. To make spicy masala Maggi noodles, first cook the noodles in the pan without the contents of the flavor packet. While the noodles are cooking, heat 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of vegetable oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Then add 1/4 cup or 40 grams of finely chopped onions and 1/2 teaspoon or 1½ grams of garlic paste. Cook the vegetables for 2 minutes, then add 1/4 cup or 50 grams of finely chopped tomatoes and 1/2 teaspoon and 1½ grams of chili powder and pour in the flavor packet. Cook the tomatoes for 2 minutes, then add 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of water to the pot and simmer the tomatoes until they're soft. Finally, stir the cooked Maggi noodles, top with chopped cilantro, and enjoy.